Blessed love everyone, and today I have a nice core workout for beginners and anyone at any fitness level. Now this core workout is on both the anterior and posterior chain. Okay, that's really mean we're working on the front and the back. Okay, yeah, cause most people when they say core they're just talking about abs. But the abs alone is not your core. You cannot forget your lower back. So, see you in the workout. Greetings, Julius Ellis here from Fit Marketer, and this channel is all about helping people living a healthier lifestyle and getting fit right at home. So no gym, no problem, no excuses. And here we are with our first exercise, which is a dynamic exercise. This is we're switching from the high plank to the low plank. Very great exercise for about the anterior and posterior chain and the core. Okay, so you see as I'm moving, my lower back is kind of working, and this is mostly a abdominal dominant exercise. So as you see, front and back. So now we're gonna rest for 10 seconds, and our next exercise is going to be plank knees to elbows, and this is a very great exercise. And here we go with our next exercise, which is plank knees to elbows, and this is very great for the core, the lower back, the obliques, and the abdominal rectus. So front, back, side, complete core exercise. This is our next rest period, and our next exercise is going to be plank. So get ready for our plank. We're going to hold it for 30 seconds. Here we go into our master plank, and this works almost the whole body. Very lovely exercise, you know, from the calf come right up to the shoulders. That's a plank, and it's very lovely. And this is our third exercise in our routine, and we're holding it for 30 seconds, and our routine consists of 5 exercises. So resting again, and our next exercise is gonna be for our lower back. We're attacking the lower back with the hyperextension hold. Okay. Now we're attacking the lower back, and this exercise is called the hyperextension hold. Okay, very lovely for the back, lower back. You release all back pains and strengthen the lower back. Okay, very lovely exercise, the hyperextension. Preparing for our final exercise now, which is going to be some hyperextension lift. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do it for 30 seconds, and here we go with our final exercise, some hyperextension, and this is very great for the lower back. Keep it straightened, keep it from injury pain free, and this is our final exercise. And this routine have to do about 3 to 5 rounds to qualify for a great workout routine. Okay, so with that said, give thanks, and I hope you enjoy the routine. Give thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. Smash like if you got value from this video, and comment let me know what fitness goal you're working on so I can help you with that. And if you are new around here, subscribe and hit that bell for more videos like this. Julius Ellis from Fit Marketer, and we post every Wednesday 7 p.m. Eastern and Pacific time. So blessed love to you all. See you again next strong.